Hey queens, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make rosemary oil for hair growth. This oil is going to leave your scalp well moisturized, thereby preventing dryness and also promoting hair growth. So keep watching. So guys, the only ingredients we'll be needing for this oil is rosemary leaves. I'm always going to use dry rosemary leaves because that is what is very common here in Nigeria. So if you can lay your hands on the fresh one, go ahead and use it. But I always use the dry one because that is what we see here in my country. So I went ahead to roughly blend my rosemary leaves to just give me that semi-looking powder. And this is what it's looking like after blending, guys. So I'm going to infuse my rosemary using extra virgin olive oil. You can use almond oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Certainly not palm oil because I see a lot of people always asking me if they can use palm oil to infuse their oil. Certainly not, guys. I don't know why I'm laughing, but I always find that question very funny. So just use any oil of your choice and infuse your rosemary. Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. So I'm going to be infusing my oil using the double boiling method. Double boiling method is simply putting water in a pot just like I did here. Then you place the bowl containing your mixture. That way you're not frying your mixture, you're just like trying to heat it up so that the infusion can just start immediately. Like the rosemary can infuse into the oil very well and you get all the benefit you need from the oil. So instead of doing the frying method, you can easily do the double boiling method if you have all the time and you're going to infuse it for longer. But if you want a quicker something to use, like you want to use your oil immediately, you can go for the frying method, but just make sure you're doing it on a very low heat. So I'm going to be doing this for a total of 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to cover up my oil and let it infuse for complete 3 weeks. Remember, the longer you infuse your oil, the more potent the oil will be. So I'm just going to do this and then I'll set my oil aside, guys. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. So guys, I ended up leaving the oil to infuse for 1 month because I got really busy. So as you can see, the oil is looking more concentrated. This means it has really infused. So I just went ahead to filter my oil using my filter bag. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point, please kindly help me and subscribe to the channel and also help me to thumbs up this video because it really helps with the YouTube recommendation. YouTube will push out the video for other viewers to see and also benefit from it. Okay guys, don't go away because I'm going to show you how I use this oil on my protective style. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, this is my protective style for this month because I'm currently on a 30 days hair growth challenge using rosemary water mixed with aloe vera and some other ingredients. So this is how I use the oil. I apply it directly on my scalp. Then I go ahead and massage my scalp to promote blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth and also reduces scalp dryness. So guys, this is really easy to do. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all. Bye guys.